Hi, I'm Chiki Linguini, and today I wanted to tell you 4 different types of foods that I include in my weekly menus every single week for optimal health. The first one is salmon. I try to include salmon in my weekly menu because it's just a great source of protein and it's a great source of healthy fats. It has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which is just great for overall health, for diabetes risk, for high blood pressure, for high cholesterol. So get in your salmon, and it's super easy to make. You can pan fry it on the stove, or you can bake it. You can put it in the toaster oven. I just love my toaster oven, so I pop everything in there and it's done in like 15 minutes, and it's, again, amazing, tasty, and a great source of protein. So the second thing that I include in my weekly menu every single week is steak or red meat. I love to eat red meat. I feel like my body craves it, and it is proven that sometimes your bodies do crave it because it is the only protein source that has all of the essential amino acids that we need to thrive and survive. So red meat is just crucial for our health, for our bone density, for just having an overall healthy lifestyle. If you are eating red meat, that's plenty of protein. You're going to get full off of your protein and off of your veggies, and then you won't have to eat so many refined carbs because you're getting satiated with the red meat because it is, again, super filled with all the essential amino acids, and it's super protein rich, so you will get full from it. So the next thing is chia seeds. So we are supposed to be eating 25 grams of fiber every single day. It's actually pretty difficult to hit the 25 grams with veggies and leafy greens alone. If you like beans, beans help bump up your fiber intake, but if you are sensitive to beans or if you just don't eat beans daily, it's kind of difficult to get your 25 grams of fiber. So I love chia seeds. Two tablespoons of chia seeds have 10 grams of fiber. So right there, you are almost halfway at your 25 mark. And the rest, the 15, it is possible and it is easier to get from vegetables rather than a full 25. So chia seeds is a great addition to your weekly menu, to your daily life. I try to eat it, daily so that I can hit that 25 grams of fiber. And chia seeds are also another great healthy source of healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids. So make sure to include that because you can't eat salmon every single day, but you can definitely eat chia seeds every single day. And the last thing that I include in my weekly menu every single week is vegetables, of course. So we need to be eating 30 different types of plant sources every single week for the best gut diversity. So that means that our bacteria in our gut, we have more bacteria in our gut than cells in our body. It is said that we are actually a host for other life form, which is the bacteria in our gut. So humbling. But the bacteria in our gut needs to, it needs to have diversity so it could thrive. If you're only feeding it the same types of foods, only those types of bacteria strains are going to be fed while the other ones starve and die off. So you need to be eating a wide variety and a diverse range of foods, of plant source foods. So plant source foods doesn't just mean vegetables, but obviously vegetables is included. So it's fruits, vegetables, any nuts, legumes, or whole grains are included in the 30 that you want to be getting every single week so that you can have that optimal gut diversity. So if you were to split it up, 5 different plant sources a day, it's very feasible. You can have a different nut a day, a different vegetable a day, a different fruit, a different legume, and a different grain. But another way that I like to split it up is having a little, I made little, I'm blanking on the word, like little cubes of frozen, blended, lots of veggies. I can't speak right now. But I got 15 different vegetables, 15 different herbs, fresh herbs, and I put onion, pepper, and lots of, mint, rosemary, oregano, lots of fresh herbs. I got 15 different vegetables in there and garlic. So it made it like a very aromatic, cube bomb for cooking. So what I like to do with that is I blended all of those vegetables. I put a little bit of water in it to thin it out, and I blended them all up, and then I froze them into like little cubes, into little ice trays, pops, so that now before I make my rice, I take one of those and I saute it, and all it is spices and herbs, so it just adds flavor to my rice, but I have 15 vegetables right there. So every single week I knock off 15 vegetables from there, and then I try to get another 15 that obviously aren't in that little vegetable bomb. So that's an easy way to get all 30 of your fruits and vegetables and plant sources in. But it's definitely possible to do it without doing that. You can make yourself a big salad, and in one big salad you could knock off like 10 vegetables right there. So get creative, switch it up. But veggies is obviously a huge, huge thing that I incorporate in my weekly menus. I like to eat specific veggies are carrots. I love eating carrots. Carrots have beta carotene, which is great for you and for your blood sugar. I love to eat cruciferous vegetables. Brussels sprouts are my favorite, and asparagus is also amazing for you. I don't love it, so I like to make my pesto from asparagus so that I can still get the benefits from it. And arugula, I eat arugula almost every single day. I am obsessed with arugula, but arugula is also very good for you. It's detoxifying for your liver. So incorporate lots of vegetables into your diet, and you will start seeing the benefits with that healthy gut microbiome. So those are the 4 different types of foods that I incorporate into my weekly menu. It's salmon, red meat, chia seeds, and lots of vegetables. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I have new videos every Thursday and daily shorts of what I eat.